Eat the Frog, 21 Principles for Overcoming Procrastination. Brian Tracy. Imagine a typical day. You say to yourself, I'll start a new life on Monday. Things will definitely change next year. I'll become disciplined tomorrow. But a week passes, then a month, then a year, and life hardly changes. Does it sound familiar? Motivation and plans in the morning, disappointment and guilt in the evening. This is how the procrastination cycle works. But there is one book that has helped millions of people break free from it.
A frog is the most important and most unpleasant task of the day, the one that you procrastinate on the most. Tracy's rule is simple. If you need to eat a frog, do it first thing in the morning. And if there are 2 frogs, start with the biggest one. Clearly define your goals. The main reason for procrastination is uncertainty. When a person doesn't understand what to do, why, in what order, the brain simply avoids action. Therefore, the first step is to set clear goals. Write down 10 goals for the next year, as if they have already been achieved. For example, I earn $5,000 per month. I weigh 75 kilograms. I have started a successful business. After that, choose the most important goal and start working on it every day. Plan your day every day. There's a productivity rule. 10 minutes of planning save 90 minutes of work. Write down your tasks for tomorrow before going to bed. When you wake up, your brain will already be working on them. Think about the consequences. Successful people have one habit in common. They think about the long term. Before tackling any task, ask yourself, is this moving me closer to my goal? If not, it may just be noise. Practice creative procrastination. You can't do everything, so it's important to put off unimportant tasks. Ask yourself, is it possible to delete the task, automate it, delegate it, do it faster? If so, get rid of it. Use the ABCDE method. This is one of the most powerful tools for prioritization. Mark each task with a letter. A, critical. B, desirable. C, can be done. D, delegate. E, remove. Always start with A1, the biggest frog. Find the key results. Every job has 5 to 7 key tasks that determine success. If you ignore even one of them, your results will suffer. Ask yourself, what skills will increase my efficiency the most? The 80-20 principle. 20% of your actions produce 80% of the results. But most people do the opposite. They spend 80% of their time on small things. Find the top 20% and focus on them. Identify the big 3. Ask yourself, which 3 tasks yield the most results? If you focus solely on these tasks, your productivity can increase significantly. Prepare your workspace. A clean workspace is a clear mind. Before you start working, clean your desk. Prepare your materials. Eliminate distractions. It will make it much easier to get started. 1 barrel at a time. Brian Tracy once crossed the Sahara. The path was marked by barrels every 5 kilometers. He just moved from one barrel to another. So it is with big goals. Don't think about the whole distance. Focus on the next step. The secret of discipline. To overcome procrastination, constantly develop your skills. Remove your limitations. Force yourself to act. Manage your thoughts. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There will never be a perfect time. Start with what you have now. Deep concentration. Multitasking is a myth. Each attention switch costs up to 17 minutes of focus. The best work mode is 60 to 90 minutes of deep focus. Short break, work again. And the main rule is, once you start a task, finish it. Manage your time and technology. To stay focused, turn off notifications. Don't react to every email. Schedule blocks of time. Technology should serve you,
not control you. The main idea of the book. Every day starts the same way. There's a frog in front of you. If you eat it first, the rest of the day will be easier. If you look at it, it will poison your life.
To overcome procrastination, set clear goals. Plan your day. Do the most important things first. Stay focused.